Hello. This video will show you how to utilize the EMA's Medical Literature Monitoring Service to reduce your literature results by 70% or more. And this is in guidance with the EMA regulatory guidance. In this example, I will show you how you can save approximately 20 hours of annual review time per MLM drug based on the assumption of 3 minutes to triage one Embase record. The MLM service assesses each literature record and adds a reason for inclusion or exclusion based upon their criteria. This assessment can be utilized to your advantage in order to not only identify ICSRs, but to identify other relevant records. You can utilize the EMA's medical literature records in parallel with your searches. And I will show you the regulatory guidance that supports this process in order to utilize both included and excluded records by the EMA's medical literature service. The excluded records will be utilized to reduce your literature results and support other regulatory reporting that is needed. Please review this slide for additional information regarding the inclusion and exclusion criteria. Now, let me show you how to easily accomplish this in a few easy steps. Step 1 is to search on the MLM drug with your current search strategy. This can be done in Embase's unique PV Wizard search form. Step 2 is using Embase's unique advantage with access to the EMA's medical search strategy, which can be found in the PV Wizard. Here you will see Embase contains the MLM core search strategy and the list of MLM chemical and herbal substances. This can help you easily select your drug from the MLM chemical substance group or herbal substance group to create a search, an MLM search. Here is an example of the two result sets. Set 1 is the PV Wizard search strategy that yielded 5,780 results. Result set 2 is the EMA's medical literature strategy, which yielded 4,302 results. With Embase, the user is able to identify the delta of the combined results to avoid reviewing results that the MLM service is already assessing. Using the Boolean operator of not makes this possible. We have combined the result set of search 1, not search 2, to retrieve the delta. And you can review only the results from set 3. In this case, that is 1,631 records instead of the 5,780. That is a 70% reduction in volume. Now, how can you do this successfully to avoid missing any relevant records that are needed for other regulatory bodies or other reports? This workflow can also support in the prevention of duplicate reports that are reported out. I have additional steps to consider listed here. And this is the official EMA medical literature Q&A document, which states that day 0 is the date that the MLM service transmits an ICSR to EudraVigilance and can be used for the excluded reports as well. Here is an example of the EMA's medical literature sum screen, which contains the inclusion and exclusion criteria. The user is able to easily filter by substance and the primary source country to determine reporting responsibility and the specific reason that the record was not relevant for reporting. In this example, I have showed you that you can save approximately 20 hours of annual review time per MLM drug based on the assumption of 3 minutes to triage one Embase record. Just a reminder to follow standard processes for non-MLM drug literature searches. Thank you. We are in communication with the EMA on this process. Please contact the Embase team for any questions.